Hello, so today I want to talk to you about the JAM Trance Bluetooth Mini speaker. It is a small portable speaker that can be paired with any cell phone, laptop, or other device that might have Bluetooth capabilities. One thing that I love about the JAM Trance is that it is so small. You can take it anywhere. Also, it's really lightweight, so you can almost put it in your purse, in a beach bag if you're going to the beach. Kind of event, you can just kind of pack it and take it with you. Also, the sides are rubberized, which makes it a lot safer during travel, and if you were to drop it, it probably won't do that much damage because it will just kind of bounce on its own. And so it's actually a really good speaker to have if you are afraid of delicate electronic products. This is definitely for you. It's durable, it's really light, and so it kind of would be hard to break something like this. So first you have the controls here at the top of the speaker. You can turn it on, you can change the volume, you can change the color. So I'm just going to turn it on for you.
Powering on.
So as you can see, when it comes on, you have a variety of colors. It prompts you to pair with your device. And you can pair with an iPhone, with a laptop, anything that has Bluetooth capabilities. Also here on the side, as you can see, you have a little panel of other outlets. So you have your charging port as well as a port there to put in headphones in case you wanted to just listen to the speaker by itself. One thing that I will point out is that it comes with a charging cable. It's just a USB charging cable, very simple. If by any chance you happen to lose this, you can easily find another one. A lot of people have, a million of these from other products. The only thing that I would say is that it is a little short, as you can see. I think that it would be beneficial to have a longer cord, only because you may want to charge it and still listen to it. And so it makes it a little bit less portable when it has a shorter charger. Also, it doesn't come with a charging pack or like a little battery pack. So what I do is I have just a generic little outlet port that has USB ports in it, and I charge it with that. But I think that it would be beneficial if it came with that so that you don't have to use your other products. So when you pair the speaker with your iPhone, or your tablet, your computer, whatever device you have, it's very simple.
Powering on.
You would find it in the Bluetooth section of your phone or whatever you're using, and you would choose to pair with that. Once it's paired, you can play your music. It's actually very loud. The sound quality is really great. It's very clear. There's no feedback. There's no fuzz or anything like that. If you're using it on a phone and someone, you're getting an incoming call, the phone call will ring to the speaker. And so sometimes that's a little bit of a hassle because you'll have to turn the phone call off because otherwise it will play over the speaker. So just be mindful of that. Otherwise,
powering on. So
you can change the volume here. You can change the brightness of the display if you'd like. While the music is playing, it'll have the display. You can change, how the colors show up. So it's kind of fun in that way. You have a little bit of variety, and again, you can change the volume here, and it'll tell you if it's going down, as you can see, or if it's going up. And again, it's a pretty loud speaker. The sound quality is really clear. So overall, I definitely think that it's a great product. I think that one thing that I appreciate most about it is that it's portable. So you can take it wherever you go. It's very light. No need for a carrying case or anything like that. I think that it would be safe in any bag, safe in a backpack, safe in a purse. It's not a fragile speaker as some other speakers are. Also, I turned the speaker up as loud as it can go on many occasions, and I will say that I wouldn't worry about blowing it. It's very durable. The sound is very controlled. I've never had an issue as far as blowing the speaker out or anything like that, and I've actually had it for a while, so it's pretty durable. So overall, again, I think it's a great product. I would think it's good for children since it does have these rubberized sides. If they were to drop it, again, it wouldn't do too much damage. So, I mean, I think that it would be great for kids, great as a gift. Also, you may want to consider getting two. The sound is, you know, omnidirectional, so you might want to get two. You can pair it with, you know, another device, put it on both sides of the room. I think it would have really, really great sound that way. Also, I do believe that you can only pair one device with it at a time. So just keep that in mind. So you're going to use your, you know, your phone or your computer, what have you. So yeah, this is it's a really great product. It's very small. I don't think that you have to have a huge speaker in order to get big sound. The speaker itself has really, really great, clear quality of sound. Again, I've been using this for quite some time now. I've not had any issues with it. The only problem that I would say is that the charging cord is a little bit too short. It has to stay in a specific area, you know, obviously where there's an outlet so that it can charge, and you may want to move it around at that point. So that might become a problem for you, as well as the fact that it doesn't come with a charging port. One thing that I did not mention, which I do want to throw out there, is that the Bluetooth reception is actually really good. So you can have your phone in your pocket if it's paired with your phone, and you can walk, you know, around the house or into the other room, and, you know, you won't disconnect the speaker. So it's really good for that. I know that obviously you're going to want to play the speaker and still, you know, text on your phone, check your messages, check your emails, or whatever the case may be. And you're more than welcome to do that, because it actually won't disconnect the speaker. You'll still have your music. You can go pretty far, you know, without disconnecting the Bluetooth. So that is the JAM Trance Mini Bluetooth speaker. Really, really great product. Definitely worth it. I think that anyone that would buy this, or that you would buy this for, really enjoy it.